එලකොට්ටිය අදත් අපි රාම කෙදලෙන්නේ කියලා හිතුවේ. තාම යන්නේ කොහෙද කියලා තීරණයක් නැහැ. තාම යාළුවෝ ටික ආවෙත් නැහැ. ගිහින් බලමු ඉතින්. ඈ? නෑ 12ක් පහුවෙලා මචං.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time.
I got here, අපි දැන් සියල්ලට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. මෙන්න මෙතන තමයි යන්න තියෙන්නේ. මේකට කියන්නේ රන්මලේ කන්ද ඇල්ල කියලා. දැන් මම ලොකේෂන් එක ඩිස්ක්‍රිප්ෂන් එකේ දාන්න. ඒක බලාගෙන ඉන්න. අපේ නවීන් ඉන්නවා. සමිත් මල්ලි ඉන්නවා. විශාන් ඉන්නවා. පොඩ්ඩක් අඟුරේ දාන්න. අර උඹේ දෙක්කෝ අශානුත් ඉන්නවා. උඹ සංගාස් දෙක්කෝ. බලන්න බයික් එකේ තියලා
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
මේක තමයි අල්ල. මෙතන නාන්න පුළුවන්.
But I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous.
Video කන්න. Video කන්න. කොහොමද? මට කන්නේ බැලුවා. Ari. Main bෑම බයද. බැලහ. යමුනේ ගොඩ. යම්බි ඕනේ. හරි බැලහ. Ada kebenaran. Macam? Ada. Okey, Pak. Ada, benar. Ada dah. Ada apa dia? Benar. Foto kah, no? hati-hati Syul. Bahaya bang. Bahaya bang.
Flash of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through.
10 seconds later.
Yeah, now look from the right and the very end. කට්ටිය ෆොටෝ ගහනවා. හරිම ලස්සනයි. සමිත් මල්ලි. ඉතින් තියෙන ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහන එකක් බලාගෙන. ඒ උනාට මූ ගහන්නේ නැහැ. ඉස්සරහ වල ඉන්න ගාව. අනන කයි ගත්තා. දැන් මේ ඇල්ලට සමුදේලා
See them, don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a place in my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough.
A few moments later.
අපි රුපියල් 1000ක් ඇහුලා. ඒක රෝස් කරනවා. එහෙනම් අද වීඩියෝ එක ඉවරයි. ආයි අලුත් වීඩියෝ එකකින් හම්බෙමු. bye bye.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That's